Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping back by. I am Tia. I am filming this and I want to give you full disclosure. I am suffering from allergies and so I am a little sniffly, but I will try to make this as concise and to sniff as little as possible during the filming. So as you all know, if you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. I do reviews on beauty products and I offer my musings on a wide range of things. So if that interests you or if you've enjoyed this video or this series where I'm doing Beem Box unboxings, then please consider subscribing. So recently I got another Beem Box. This is my March/April Beem Box. And I've already taken my stuff out because I filmed this before, as you can see by the swatches on my arm. However, I did not like that video. I sniffed way too much. So this time, I have my card out and we're going to talk about the 5 products in the box this month. Now, I did film a video last week and that video I did a get ready with me and I wore products from previous Beem boxes because this is box number 6 in my collection of boxes. So as of the time that I filmed that get ready with me, I had 5 boxes of products. So this is box number 6. I will link that get ready with me somewhere overhead right about now. And yeah, let's get into this box. So the first thing that we got here is a concealer. It's the Undercover Concealer by Pretty Vulgar. I'm going to show you what the box looks like. I had already taken it out of the box, though. Again, I swatched it. And this, in person, it looks kind of milky and pale in the packaging. On my skin, though, and I will swatch this one again. Please excuse these marks. This is eyeshadow. Look at this, though. That does not at all look like milky at all. This is a really, really good match for my skin, as you can see. And I actually used a finger that had some makeup on it, so that kind of muddied it just a bit. But it's a good match. And this normally retails for $24. As I always do, I check the price of the products to see if the value of the box is still there, and it is. These products definitely exceed the sticker price for the box. But yeah, Pretty Vulgar specializes in vintage style makeup, so it's very vintage inspired. But this was really pretty, and this was not the darkest shade the company had. They had 2 or 3 more shades deeper than this one. So that's good, especially for a company that has a pretty well-curated collection of products. They don't have a ton of products, but what they have a pretty good range of colors, so that's nice. Pardon me. So the next product is the Hydrating SPF Serum by Flesh Beauty. And that is this product right here. It's got a lot of weight to it. It's a sheer sunscreen. So it has an SPF of 35 and it is brown and black girl friendly. Now, here's the good part about that. I did apply a drop earlier on my skin and it looks absolutely disgusting. But it's a serum, so it's supposed to be a little runny like that. But look, when I put it on, it's not white. It does not give me a gray cast. I had it on this hand. This hand is tanner because of course I drive. And so, yeah, it is not gray at all. It just melts right into the skin and it has an SPF of 35. You all remember, if you've been here for a bit, you remember I did a review on the Ordinary sunscreen, which I will link overhead now. And it made me absolutely turn into Violet Beauregard. If you get the reference, then you know what I mean. I did not like that product. But this one, I'm going to experiment with it because I'm swatching it up on my hand. It's looking one way, but you know, this could change once I get out in the sun. It might tell a different story. We're not doing that. I'm going to try it. It has 3 different actives that are sunscreens. I'm going to try it and give it some time. And I will do a separate video on this after using it for a bit because, whoops, Sunscreen and sun care is always really important. And so I want to know if this product is going to be a good one for me long term. So yeah, there will be a follow-up video. I don't know exactly when, of course, but I will be using this to see how it goes. Again, pardon the sniffles. The next product is a lip trio by Jasmine Beauty. It's 3 on-the-go lippies. How cute is this box, first and foremost? That's adorable, right? Oh, by the way, the serum that I just reviewed, the SPF serum, retails for $16. Okay. So this one by Jasmine Beauty is a liquid lipstick and 2 lip glosses, right? I'm going to show you what this looks like. It's so cute. Isn't that adorable? And these look so much like nail polishes. I was like, are they sure this is lip gloss? It is lip gloss. This is well, it's a lip gloss and lipstick trio. This is your liquid lipstick. You apply this, if you want to layer, you apply this first, you let it dry, and then you put these 2 on top. Or you could wear any of these separately. It doesn't matter. It's really what you want to do. So this is Beach Please, which I love that name. That's the name of some lashes that I wear from time to time. That's the name of the design, Beach Please. Beach Please is the liquid lipstick. Soft Serve is this silvery lip gloss in the middle. It does not look silver on the skin. It's just clear with some shimmer. And then Kool-Aid is this red gloss at the end that is a little bit brighter than the liquid lipstick. So like I mentioned, I swatched earlier. Here is the liquid lipstick. As you can see, it has dried everywhere except for the very top where the bulk of the product was when I swatched. That hasn't dried yet, but it hasn't even been 20 minutes. If you apply it properly, this dries pretty quickly. And as you can see, it does move a little bit, but again, you're not going to be pressing on your lips with your fingers. Maybe, I don't think. And then you've got your silvery gloss here and your red gloss here. So the colors are pretty. Would I wear it? Of course. I can't wait to wear this and see how it performs over the day, because in my mind, liquid lipsticks should be pretty transfer proof, and the fact that I was able to budget might be a concern. But again, it's still a lip product. You can apply and blot, and that should keep your lipstick from moving. Even if you have a regular lipstick formulation, blotting can help keep it from moving too much. So yeah, that is the lip trio. This one is only one of 2 companies on this card that is woman-owned, cruelty-free, and vegan. All of them are cruelty-free and vegan, but this is only one of 2 of the companies in this box that are also women-owned. And this was $22 for the trio. Again, pardon me. The next product, Chella Beauty's mascara. The name of this mascara is Good Drama. The color is black. It came very secure. It had plastic wrap on it along with the box, which I do not see, even though I know it's here. Here we go. That's the box. Chella Beauty has been featured in a previous Beem Box video, and I will absolutely link that video if it was a video that I filmed. Okay, so Chella Beauty mascara. It has just a standard mascara brush. Nothing unusual about it. I did swatch it on my arm right here, and it did not get, it wasn't clumpy or anything like that. It has a really good clean swipe when I took it out of the tube. And the only place where I saw a little more mascara was at the tip of the wand, which is normal. So I can't wait to try this and see, does it really enhance the lashes or lengthen them? I did not see what the website said as far as their description for this. I didn't read it, but it does say on the card that it's a moisturizing and buildable formula, and it has high def lengthening properties and curling properties, and it's supposed to last all day long. Those are some big claims. I can't wait to try it and see. Okay, so the last product in the box is the other woman-owned business. Oh, the Chella Beauty one, the price is $25 for it if you were to buy it. If you were to purchase it via retail, it's $25 for the mascara. The Mystic Forest palette by Estate Cosmetics. And I can tell you right now, I can't remember how much this costs. I probably should pause the video and look it up. You'll see it in the description box though, because I'm not going to film again. This product looks very similar in presentation and color selection to Juvia's Place. Okay, interesting. Here are the colors. This looks weird because I swatched it with my finger. Same thing with this one at the bottom. And the good thing is that it says you should use your fingertips for best application. So the colors in here are not my speed. As a general rule, these are really warm. But what I noticed on their website is that there were maybe 2 or 3 other palettes that I just saw really quickly. They also had quite a bit of warm colors featured. Again, not my thing as a general rule. That does not mean that this palette won't get some major play in my rotation. So this color in the middle is Mystic Forest. That's a shimmery black. And this one down here is Black Bear, which is a super dark brown. This is Black Bear and this is Mystic Forest on my arm. So this warrants its own video because these colors are super pigmented from what I gathered. This was just like a light swipe across the palette well and then on my arm. Like that was it. And they came across super concentrated and really, really pretty. So this will get its own video. I've never heard of Estate Cosmetics, but like I said, packaging wise and formulation wise, it gives me Juvia's Place. But we'll see. We'll see if there's something different about it. It's also woman owned, so that's kind of cool too. Well, not kind of cool, definitely cool. So yeah, that is my Beem Box unboxing. I wish it was a little better, you guys. I didn't want to wait too long because then I'll have another box coming and I would have skipped this one. But still, the boxes are all still a very good value. Normally, 1 or 2 products easily cover the cost of the box, and you still get the rest of the products in each box. This one, actually, all of them, I think there's always like at least 1 skincare product in there, along with all of the color cosmetic stuff, which is really nice. Of course, the skincare for this one was the SPF serum, which I'm really looking forward to reviewing in another video. And I'm looking forward to reviewing the palette as well because, well, it's a palette. And who doesn't love a palette, right? So that's it. I hope you all have had a great day or evening. I hope your week is going well. And I will talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.